cheerful fighters, welcome back to Come See Conquer। तो हॉन्टेड स्टोरीज में तो हम सभी इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं, बट वो हॉन्टेड स्टोरी अगर सच हो तो और भी ज्यादा थ्रिलिंग और स्कैरी लगता है। मुझे हॉन्टेड स्टोरी या फिर हॉन्टेड मूवी बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, लेकिन अगर आपको ये जॉनरा या जॉनर पसंद ना हो तब भी कुछ फेमस जगहें जैसे कि भांगर फोर्ट, रामोजी फिल्म सिटी या फिर कुलधारा विलेज के फैसिनेटिंग हिस्ट्री सुन के आप लोग क्यूरियस तो जरूर होंगे। सो इन दिस वीडियो हम इंडिया के ऐसे ही कुछ फेमस जगह के पीछे का स्पाइन चिलिंग हिस्ट्री जानने वाले हैं। एंड इफ यू आर ब्रेव इनफ, वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। So, without further ado, let's get this video started. नंबर 10 पे आता है कारकाटुमा कोर्ट, दिल्ली। तो ये ऑफिस that is busy with lawyers all day takes an eerie turn in the evening once people leave. The employees working there themselves have felt and seen spirits roam in the office so much that a couple of years ago it became a big sensation in the media too. As usual, to see and to have proofs of this saying, CCTV cameras were installed in the office to see if they can catch any spooky activities on tape, and they sure did. Video footage shows a white figure can be seen emerging from the walls, computers switch on their own, drawers open up and files fly out. All this was captured on tape. According to employees, they have seen spirits roaming in the office even during the working hours, but believe they are harmless. A team of paranormal experts too were called in to investigate more on the matter and did say that there was some supernatural presence in the office premises. In the 9th position, we are having Hotel Savoy, Mussoorie. Hotel Savoy is a historic luxury hotel located in Mussoorie. It was established in 1902 and was built in the English Gothic architecture style. This is a 5-star hotel which is very popular among tourists all across the world. It is believed in the year 1911 a British spiritualist was found dead in Savoy Hotel, poisoned by deadly poison. Frances Garnet Orme was found dead inside her room, which was locked from inside. A thorough investigation followed to find the murderer, but the circumstances of death was never known. It is believed that the ghost of Frances Garnet Orme was seen several times inside the hotel. Guests will have also heard disembodied whisper and cry several times during their stay in hotel. Some people believe that the ghost of Frances Garnet is looking for the murderer who poisoned her. Number 8. Dumas Beach, Gujarat. Located along the Arabian Sea, Dumas Beach is considered one of the most haunted places in Gujarat. The beach is renowned for two things. One, for its black sand, and other for being haunted. It is said that Dumas Beach was once used as a Hindu burial ground and hence is possessed by several haunting spirits that never left the region. There is no denying that the beach has an eerie feel to it. The surroundings are beautiful but hauntingly depressing, and you cannot escape the negativity that surrounds the place. A number of paranormal activities have been reported in the area after the moon shows up. If reports are to be believed, several tourists and locals have gone missing. Also, a man was found dead on the beach with his tongue popping out. And there is absolutely no one who could explain the reason behind all these mishaps. People also claim that they have heard weird sounds coming from the beach, like people laughing and someone crying, even when there is not a single soul present. Not only this, locals also say that they have witnessed white apparitions, and moving orbs, along with myriad other mysterious activities that cannot be explained. Number 7. Rajkiran Hotel, Lonavala. Guests who have stayed here have reported experiencing strange things in one of the rooms. This particular room is on the ground floor behind the reception area. The staff working here knows about it, and these days the room is not allotted to any guest unless it is really required. This is because of the strange happenings here. Stories of bedsheets being pulled off at night, seeing a strange blue light near one's feet, and the constant feeling of someone's presence in the room are not uncommon to hear. Number 6. Shanivarwara, Pune. Shanivarwara was built during the time of Bajirao I. This fort is a beautiful one built of stone and bricks. Behind the stories of paranormal activities, there is a greed for power, assassination, and betrayal. Bajirao's grandson Narayan Rao was betrayed by her aunt, who made all the arrangements to assassinate Narayan Rao so that she can become the wife of the Peshwa. Before getting assassinated, Narayan Rao ran towards his uncle Chambers and he said, "Uncle, please save me." But he could not be saved. That's why during every full moon night, the people of Pune living around that particular area will always be haunted by the sound, "Uncle, save me." It is still believed that the ghost of Narayan Rao still haunts that place. Number 5. Mukesh Mill, Mumbai. Mukesh Mill was constructed by Muljibhai Madhvani. In 1982, a devastating fire forced these mills to shut down forever. The mill was deserted and untouched until a few years ago, when a film director decided to shoot a movie in this spooky-looking property and started filming a horror movie. In the end, the cast and crew of the production began witnessing several paranormal activities whilst working within the mill's area. Various strange events such as ethereal footsteps, eerie sounds, ghostly figures, and sensation of being watched are said to happen within the Mukesh Mills area frequently. Amongst Mukesh Mills' haunted story comprise the infamous story of a film actress getting possessed amid the shoot. She was shooting at the spot and suddenly her voice changed. The voice coming out of her mouth asked everyone to leave immediately. Another story revolves in a shooting. A 10-year-old girl on the set started moving oddly. She began rolling on the ground with her hands turned backward as if she is being possessed. Everyone present there got scared along with the kid. They started crying and screaming in terror. The father of the possessed child asserted that as soon as they drove away from the mills, his daughter came back to normal. Number 4. Dow Hill, Karsiong. About 30 kilometers from Darjeeling is located the most haunted hill station of India, Dow Hill of Karsiong. The local woodcutters have had a harrowing time watching the headless ghost of a young boy walking and disappearing into the forest. People have reported cases of being followed and constantly watched over by an unseen entity. Some have even seen a red eye peering at them. There is even a ghost of a woman dressed in grey. Such bad is the air of these forests that unfortunate visitors either lost their mental balance or ended up killing themselves. Here in the woods of Dow Hill, where numerous unnatural deaths seem to have taken place in the past, is situated the 100-year-old Victoria Boys High School, which are pervaded by the dark vibes of the haunted forest. The locals have heard loud whisperings and sound of footsteps when the school remains closed during the winter vacations from December to March. Number 3. Kuldhara Village, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is one of India's top tourist destinations for Indians as well foreigners. While most people come here to admire the royal places and architecture of forts, Many are also intrigued by the stories of the supernatural that do the rounds. This Kuldhara village is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. Kuldhara's story is quite well known. About 200 years ago, on a fateful night, the villagers of Kuldhara, who belonged to the Paliwal Brahmis community, fled from their homes, leaving behind their land and property. The story goes that a brutal prime minister wanted to marry the daughter of the chief of the village, but knowing his character, the villagers were against that decision. That's why, to save the girl, they fled away from the village. But then the question comes, then why no one settled in this village? According to the legend, the people of Kuldhara cursed the place as they left, which prevented anyone from settling there. Since then, the village lies abandoned. To really test if Kuldhara is haunted, some people from Delhi's Paranormal Society stayed here one night, geared up with their equipment to record any paranormal activity. After spending 12 hours here, not only did they record unusual activity on their devices, suggesting the presence of spirits in the area, some of them also spotted shadowy figures in the night and were tapped on their shoulders by someone when no one was really around. Some spirits also revealed their names to the members of the society. This spooky incident just adds to the story of Kuldhara, and the village lies abandoned to this very day. Number 2. Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad. The second largest integrated film city with an amusement park for children, Ramoji Film City was inaugurated by producer Ramoji Rao in 1996. It is believed that the ghost spirits of the deceased soldiers pervade the region, as the grounds originally belonged to the Nizams, making it one among the most haunted places in Hyderabad. Scattered leftover food around the room, mirrors scribbled with strange Urdu words. Film City is famous for numerous such accounts. The most interesting and amusing fact about this haunted place in Hyderabad is that the ghosts have their favorites: girls. Allegedly, these ghosts attack girls' clothes, knock rigorously on bathroom doors, and are responsible for scary images appearing in girls' changing rooms. Few witnesses claim while on a film shooting, the workers in the production team managing spotlights from high positions fell down as if they were brutally pushed. Majority of the occurrences suggest the presence of ghosts in hotel rooms. Number 1. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. Bhangar is perhaps one of the most haunted places in India. It is in Rajasthan and has been declared an unsafe place to visit at night, even by the government. The Archaeological Survey of India has even put up a signboard outside Bhangar Fort to warn tourists and locals alike to not enter its premises after sunset and before sunrise. According to the legend about a wizard who lived in Bhangar being infatuated with the princess and wanting to have her, he was adept in magic and created a potion that would cast a spell and attract her towards him. But she already found out about his evil plans and plotted another one to kill him. She poured the love potion which was made for her on a boulder, and when she saw the wizard coming, she rolled it, which crushed him. Ultimately, he died. But with his dying breath, the wizard cursed Bhangar and said it will be destructed. They may have died, but the spirits of these people, including the wizards and the princesses, roam the fort's interiors. They do not let anyone inside, and if someone does go in, they don't come back alive. The spirits are so strong that there is a signboard warning people not to go inside post dark. So, that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Also, if you want to suggest any topics, feel free to do so. Share this video with your friends, family and everyone, because sharing is caring. And catch us with new videos on different topics on every alternative days. Also, please subscribe to the channel क्योंकि
सब्सक्राइब करना आसान ही नहीं मुमकिन भी है.
See you. Stay safe. Until next time. Bye.